Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So today we have a little TriCircle Chinese padlock, 40mm, sent to me by Hobby Picker. Thanks for that. Bitting on it for a little lock like this is actually quite interesting. Plenty of up and down on there, so it all works nicely enough. All locked up. So let's give this one a try. Hardest thing I find with little padlocks like this is actually holding them in my hand while I do it. So, right, can we see? There we go. So, one. Nice click out of 1, 2, 3, 4. Got the warding there. 5, 3, and there we go. Anyway, not too bad a pick. So thanks for watching, see you again soon. Bye.